Dr. Francis Coates is currently on holiday and returning on August 11th, which means Fort St. John will be without a general surgeon for 6 weeks. Northern Health says they've been working to accommodate the doctor's leave by implementing a contingency plan.
To make sure that people who have urgent or emergent needs are met. And so that might include looking at other facilities for those surgeries. And it's also important to know, depending on the level of care that somebody needs in an urgent or emergent situation where they're requiring a surgeon, they might be taken from the community anyways to a higher level of care.
Part of that plan includes the doctor on leave managing their own wait lists and making sure their patients are taken care of. Northern Health says it was unsuccessful in finding a locum surgeon to fill in during this time. However, they were able to bring some visiting specialists to the region.
There are visiting specialists from orthopedics and orthotics coming up to Fort St. John to help with some of those wait lists for those types of surgeries and utilizing the OR time. We also have some local surgeons, dentists, and gynecological surgeons that are going to get into the operating room for a bit more time than they would normally.
With the city's growth expected to put more pressure on resources, Northern Health continues to work alongside partners to recruit more health professionals to the region. In doing so, the organization says it recognizes that health professionals desire to work somewhere where they're getting more experience and are able to have a work-life balance.
Part of that work is the scope of practice. So what are they going to be able to do in that community in terms of surgeries and on-call rotation and that sort of thing? The other thing with life piece of it is what activities are there in the community, making sure that it meets the needs of them and their families.
Northern Health says 6 physicians will be joining the Fort St. John Primary Clinic this upcoming fall, and it is still in the process of recruiting another general surgeon to the city. Faiza Amin, CJDC-TV News, Fort St. John.